In this video, I will discuss how you can take or use Purrustic Slimfix. So you can find them by going to purrustic.com and searching for Slimfix. So they're actually on sale right now, which is only 499 RS. You can see right here the 6-day pack, 12 days, 18 days, 1 month, and after 3 months right here. So you can see right here as well that they offered Magic Diet as well as diabetics. So for example, you actually just get this 6-day pack. What you can do is you first need to take it on the morning. Drink half a bottle with lukewarm water before breakfast, and in the evening, drink the remaining half bottle with lukewarm water before dinner. So you need to take this before you eat anything, since it's actually the recommendation of Slimfix themselves right here. So as you can see, it's actually quite easy to take this. You just need to drink this consistently in order to see results. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.